So the gopis were remembering the sound of Krishna's Vichitra Pada, Smarantyas. They were remembering the enchanting variegated sound of Krishna's sweet words in their ears. So their ears were like conch shells, catching that wonderful sound. And remembering that wonderful sound of Krishna's sweet enchanting expressions. And then in their eyes, it's called mind's eye, the eyes of the mind. In their mind's eye, they were remembering the Anuraga Smita, the wonderful affectionate glances of Krishna's face, how he expressed. It's not what he said, what did he say was so enchanting. And the sound, the sweetness, I'm remembering that, but I'm also remembering how he said it. How did he express it? What was his face? What did his smile look like? What type of smile he had? Anuraga Smita, and a smile full of intense anurag and affection and attachment for us. His smile was full of intense attachment for us, for we gopis. And then his eyes were saying so much. His eyes were full of affection. And when they remembered all of these things, all these impressions, all these memories of Krishna, they combined together to become a very powerful and forceful udipan, emotional excitant, emotional stimulant, which stimulated the core of their heart, because it says, Vriddhi Sprisha, all of these emotions touched their heart and then they fainted. And this is the last symptom of Sattvic Bhav. It's called pralaya. Pralaya means devastation or fainting. Devastation, there's no question of dying in ras. So dying means swooning or fainting. So their emotions became, their love and remembrance of Krishna and such intense love became too much for them to handle, and they just... So this, we'll find out tomorrow who those gopis were.